Welcome to part 24 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course. In this video, we will learn about clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. A clipping mask is an Illustrator shape that contains an image. Now go to File, Place, choose your file and click Place. Your image will appear in Illustrator after you click with the Place cursor. Now draw an oval over part of that image. The fill and stroke setting does not matter. Remember that the object you are making the clipping mask with should be arranged over the image and both need to be selected to make the mask. I mean the shape you are placing an image into needs to be over the image. Now select both the oval and the image by dragging a box with the selection tool. Go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make. You should see that your image is now only inside your shape, and any fill or stroke the shape might have is gone. You are using the shape as a clipping mask for your image. With the selection tool, you can move or scale the shape and the image just as you would expect. The direct selection tool works a little differently. If you click on the oval with the direct selection tool, you can edit the path and the points of the oval. However, if you click on the image with that tool, it allows you to move the image around in back of the oval. Another way of editing the image placement is to double click with the selection tool to go into isolation mode. Now you can remove this isolation mode by clicking this back button. You can go to Object, Clipping Mask, Edit to have more control editing either the mask or the image. If you would like to get rid of the clipping mask, go to Object, Clipping Mask, Release. These options are also available in the Properties panel. Clipping mask can be made using any shape in Illustrator, and you can even make a clipping mask out of type with the type remaining able to be edited. This text is 100% editable. Try to make the type very bold. Using a clipping mask with a rectangle is also a handy way to exclude parts of an image by cropping it. There is a button to crop images in the Properties panel, but unfortunately it also embeds your image, which makes your Illustrator file larger and precludes editing the image in Photoshop. There are times when embedding images is fine, but right now we are trying to maintain as much flexibility as possible, so refrain from using the crop image button. That's all in our part 24 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 25.